Hello everyone. Um, so in a week I'll be going down to Tijuana, Mexico to hair medical restoration, and I'm gonna fill in my hairline. You can see how it's receding. You can see the baby hairs. Just wanna make it stronger. I'm gonna get 1,700 grafts. Should be roughly around 3,000 hairs maybe, about. I'm going with the Cortez brothers, and I'm gonna be documenting the whole process. I got this idea from Moises Munoz and Fred Riley, which is they're the reason that I'm going up there. I've seen their results and followed their channel for about 2 years now, and they've done multiple procedures. I think I should be fine with one, but we'll see. I'm gonna be recording everything from me getting down from the airplane and everything, from the day before, consultation and all that. And once I'm there, I'm gonna see if they let me record in the surgery room. I think they will, and it'll be a fun ride. We'll see how it goes. Really excited, and yeah, we'll see. We'll see in a couple of weeks. Probably like next week I'll make a video, and then I'll be doing a month after that, every month update. So yeah, that's it. It's gonna be a fun ride.